Hello everyone, it is I guess 5:40 or so. We're on our way to the beach again this morning to do our morning walk. Old saying says, red sky in the morning, sailors take warning. Red sky at night, sailors delight. I don't know if that's true or not. That's kind of an orange thing. But if something interesting happens, I'll bring along. If not, you won't ever see this one. Okay, see you later. Same dog. Didn't bother us. What was wrong with him the other day, I wonder? Hello. 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 Huh. They're all on their roosts. Hello. 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 Oh, that's funny. That's high tide or higher tide. Huh. So the tide is up, not the highest, but it's up. So it'll shorten our walk a little bit. So we're walking along, very little activity. That little white thing is a dog curled up in the sand. That little black thing over there is another dog curled up in the sand. This guy's coming to visit us. Yep. Just visiting, not even barking. There's another one. Huh. I guess they had a rough night. It was Friday night last night, so maybe they went out, did all their barking. Now they're resting. Can't see him too well, but there's a guy out there in a boat. The water's calm. Just sitting there. Looks like a nice place to be to me. Not that I don't mind being here, but well, these guys are up and about. I wonder what dogs think when they get up. It's all right. My one tag. Yeah. They're not. There hasn't been much activity, but here's some. About 7 people in the water. Well, could be, I guess, huh? Well, here we are. We cannot go around this thing today. Well, we could get wet, but I don't want to do that. So this will be the end of this half. We may have to step somewhere else because we'll be short of steps, I think. Well, we'll get more later today. There's a man boating in his boat. Guess he's fishing. Well, we got to turn around here, head back. Well, Jess says we're right at 15 is what we want. Okay, we're heading back. I'm gonna wear my swim trunks one day and come down here, jump in. Yeah, now's the time. Yeah. This guy was barking crazy at us the other day. I wonder if they get used to us. Yeah. It's Saturday.
It's not a cottage.
It says cottage for 200. I guess you get the whole section.
All of it?
No, this little section and this little section. Yeah, 200. Unfortunately, the camera doesn't do the sky justice. That is really cool. But I'll share it with you for a second anyway. There's our beachhead home. My lovely wife leaving me behind while I gaze at the sky. The dogs are quiet today. How wonderful, huh? Here's another one. Looking for food, I guess. You don't have a collar. Interested in other things? No, you're not barking at me. Oh dear. I might have gotten the artwork in the picture. So we're on the way back home, and the dogs are still quiet, enjoying the sleeping and the singing. You might say it was a rough night, a rough night, rough. Yeah, folks are working hard to clean up the beach. What? There's a sign there that says outpost. Jess says it could be an outpost for a local security guard or police or something. But there's nothing special there, it's just some chairs under an awning. So now the sun is rising. It's about 6:01. I wish the camera showed it better. You make that shirt look good. Yeah. Mine would tag. How's her restaurant doing?
Gabi na, alas 6, alas 7, na pa yung mga tao ilang baybayin, na pa yung mga ligo, ano? No, adiyan?
How much are you buying?
50 pesos.
Oh, okay, how many is that?
It's 10.
10? So it's 5 pesos each.
Yeah,
Oh. No chocolate today.
no chocolate. I will have my coffee.
Oh, your coffee. So there's the street that way. And there's the street that way. We live off that street that way. So we go around the back. And this is the way we go home. Walking away from the rice. So Jess got 50 pesos worth of sticky rice, which is 10 little tiny packs. And since Mom's not home, she's going to feel obligated to eat all 10 herself, because I don't care for them. They're okay, but I like what I eat. All 10, guys. This guy's still sleeping. Quiet dogs this morning. All right, we stopped a couple times, but we're back at 35 minutes. So, thanks for joining us. Bye, Jess.
Bye.
Say goodbye and smile.